Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing surds in brackets. When you're dealing with surds in brackets, you treat it like algebraic expression. The way you expand brackets in algebra is the same way you expand brackets in surds. Let me do this using the above examples. Let's start with exercise number 1. As example, we have two brackets with surds into brackets 3 root 2 minus root 5. If we are to expand this, we multiply this by this, then by this, then the next by this, then the next by this. Let's do it. This, let's start with this 3 root 2 times 3 root 2. That will be 9 times 2. You can watch my video on multiplication of surds for better understanding. The reason why this one is 9 root 2 is that when you are multiplying surds, you multiply the whole numbers separate, which is 3 times 3, that gives 9, and you multiply the surds, which is root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is equals to 2. Okay? If you check my video on multiplication of surds, you will understand why it is like this. Kindly watch it and you will have a clear understanding of this operation. Now, the next is to multiply 3 root 2 by root minus root 5, and that will be equals to minus 3 times 1, 3, then root 2 times root 5. That will be root 10. Okay? Then the next we are going to deal with is this root 5 times 3 root 2. That will be equals to plus whole number first 1 times 3, that will be 3. Okay, then root 5 times root 2, that will be root 10. Okay, then the next is to multiply by this, and that will be plus times minus, that will be minus. Okay, root 5 times root 5, that will be equals to 5. Okay, now if we simplify this, this will be equals to 9 times 2 is 18, plus times minus is minus 3 root 10 plus 3 root 10 minus 5. Minus 3 root 10 plus 3 root 10 cancel out. Then we have 18 minus 5, and this will be equals to 13. Okay. Now let's go to exercise number 2. Let's do it as example. Exercise number 2 is root 2 plus 1 over root 2 squared. Okay. And we know this can be written as root 2 plus 1 over root 2, right? Root 2 plus 1 over root 2. Okay. Now, let's use the same method that we used the other time. This multiply by this, then come to multiply this, then this multiply by this, then this come to multiply this. Okay. So, 2 Root 2 times root 2, that will be equals to 2, okay, plus root 2 times 1 over root 2, that will be equals to root 2 all over root 2, okay. Then next, this times this, that will be plus root 2 all over root 2, okay, as we are multiplying this by this now. 1 over root 2 times root 2, that's what gives us root 2 over root 2, okay. Then now, this times this, that will be plus 1 over root 2 times 1 over root 2, that will be equals to 1 over 2, okay. If you want to know why that is like that, you can check my video on multiplication of surds, okay. If you still don't understand, you can write in the comment section below for me to make a special video on that, okay. Now we have 2 over root 2 cancel out, right, which is equals to 1, and 2 over root 2 here cancel out, which is equals to 1. Now we have 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 2. This will be equals to what? 4.5. Okay, and this is our final answer. Let's go to exercise number 3, which is root 2 into bracket root 2 plus root 6. Let's use the same method that we used for the earlier examples. This times this, then this times this. Okay, which will be equals to root 2 times root 2. That will be equals to 2. Okay, the reason why it is equals to 2 is, if you say, you can look up here, root 2 times root 2. This is the same thing as from law of indices. You can watch my video on laws of indices. 1 over 2 times 2 raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, which is equals to 2 times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 from law of indices, which will be equals to 2 raised to power 1. So that's why this one is 2. Plus root 2 times root 6. That will be root 12. And we know this is equals to 2 plus root 4 times 3. And this will be equals to 2 plus root 4 is what? 2 root 3. And this is the final answer. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And after subscribing, you see a bell icon. Kindly click on the bell icon for you to be notified when I make new videos. Till I see you in my next video, thank you for watching and bye bye.